In the previous chapter we have seen arrays in PHP, that is nothing but indexed arrays. Now we are going to see associative arrays in PHP. So let's just start our browser. Localhost PHP programs. Now XAMPP server is running fine. Notepad editor. And here we are going to use associative arrays. Associative arrays are also similar to the indexed arrays, but the major difference is we have keys and values pair over here. Like if there is an array variable and inside the array we have to pass key1 and then value 1. Similarly key2 and then value 2. So that's how you can use key value pair in associative array. Let's see one example. $colors equals to array and color1 equals to red, comma color2 equals to green and comma color3 equals to blue. Now if I just print this colors array, to save it with the associative array.php, refresh, here we have associative array. So it is showing color1 equals to red, color2 equals to green and color3 equals to blue. Let's just format it, echo and pre. This is the pre statement, pre tag of HTML, and it will show in a formatted manner. So that's how you can use associative array in PHP. Now there are some sorting algorithms which we can use to sort arrays in PHP. First we will see simply a sort function which will sort these arrays according to their values. Now if I just refresh this, so B comes first, then G, then R. So that's how you can sort arrays. And if I sort by key pair, so it will just sort by key pair. I will just need to comment this to see the difference. See, RGB is as it is and color 1, 2, 3 is changing over here. Now if I just put 3 over here and 2 over here, so color 2 should come first. See, color 1, color 2 and color 3, red, blue and green. In this case it is showing as it is, which we have used while initializing the array. So ksort will sort arrays in according to their keys. There are some reverse also. In the reverse order also you can sort array, like r sort and $colors. So if I print r after this, so it will sort in the reverse order. So RGB, red comes the last, G comes the second last and B the first one. So in this case it is sorting in a descending order. There we can use R, that is for reversing sort. So there are other sorting functions also available in PHP. You can use it for sorting the arrays. So that's all for now. There is one more array type available in PHP, that is nothing but multi-dimensional array. We will see this array in the advanced part of PHP in brief. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.